Good day. Welcome to the crypto community, and I hope all is well and you are enjoying your weekend so far. I am using the old UI, which is the animal.farm, and in the next video, I will be actually presenting everything in the new UI. But because of the transition, I thought it'd be easier to do my withdrawal because it's what people are familiar with and the strategy I am using behind it. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are in the drip BUSD garden. I have connected my wallet, and as you can see, I have over 2.4 million plants here. My strategy, as from my last video I did mention, is I am compounding Monday to Friday and withdrawing Saturday to Sunday. Today being my Sunday, I am withdrawing. It's not quite Sunday, the full day. This is 1.5 days, and tonight I'm actually going to compound because I'm happy with $264 each week out of this so far. And all I have to do right now is, as you can see, I can basically harvest out 176,511 plants. So here we go. So all I need to do is go down here and press harvest seed. Confirm that. And we are done. And as you can see, because I have over 2 million plants, as soon as I've harvested, I've already got 5 plants going. So this is going at an astonishing rate at this very moment in how this is going. So my balance, as you can see here, is now 69.54. And now it's just increased to 97.9245. And that would also be in my wallet as well. So I could choose to, if I want to, max this out and put this back in or put a little bit back in, but I'm not going to do that right now. And the reason being is I've always spoke about getting your capital out as humanly fast as possible, and that's what I'm doing. I've been in this program from the very start, which is beginning of the year, and that's 8-9 months. And I'm happy with over 2 million plants. So my strategy since when I hit the 2 million mark was actually just to take out my withdrawals on Saturday and Sunday. And that's what I'm sticking to until I get my seed money out, which at the time, I think I put in just over $1,000. And yeah, I'll get it out pretty quickly in the next 5-6 weeks. That would be my seed money out. And I could choose to 100% compound it, or I can do the same Monday to Friday, compound, Saturday, Sunday, withdraw, or I can change it up and do Monday to Thursday, compound, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, withdraw, or I can do 100% compounding. As you can see, once you hit your target, the options are unlimited in regards to what you want to do here. And the reason why I'm also holding off this, I'm not actually cashing this out, is the drip BUSD. We are going to have the farm opening up on the 19th of October. So I want to see what the new farm and everything looks like, and at least I have funds in there to actually move it around. So that's a great. That's what's great about this whole protocol, is you have different options, and depending on your risk tolerance, you can play in the animal farm, the drip community, the pig's garden, the piggy bank, the pig pen, the farm, you name it. And soon to come, the lottery, and also we're going to have gamified play to earn. So there's lots going on in here, and there's so many different moving parts, which I'm really, really excited about. Now, to know what you're going to be earning, there is a tool that you can actually use. And that is called, basically, I'll put the link below, which is drip.formulate.finance/. And what it gives you is, it is a 5-day trial, and you can actually pay around 15 BUSD to actually get the full premium version. And it gives you the garden, the drip, the piggy bank, the pig pen, the calculator, and so forth, and a lot of other resources. So with this, even with just the new version, you can actually get a pretty good, the free version, you can get a pretty good overview, which I'll give you this. So I currently have $3,730 worth of this in here, the amount of plants I have, and the harvesting that is done, which is pretty much about a second per plant, which is crazy at this very moment. But what's important here is this part here, and you can see the potential of what this does. So in US dollars, I will be earning on a daily basis, which is what I really want to know about, is $124.35 per day, $870 per week, $3,781 per month. And that was basically starting off at the very, very start of just over $1,000 and building up to now where I can actually withdraw $3,782 on if I wanted to, all of it out, but I'm only withdrawing a couple of $100 out each week until I get my seed money out, and I will then decide what strategy I want to use, whether it be 60-40, 80-20, or 100% compounding. So as you can see with the garden, the potential of what you could earn passively if you just compound each day. And this is a great way to actually start your journey in the crypto space. If it's something that you want to look at and you want to be part of my team, feel free. I have my referral link below for you to actually get involved. Reach out to me. There are videos that I have actually done in the past, which are more on the old UI, which is this one here, but I will be uploading new videos within the new UI to actually show you step by step how to actually get involved in the drip garden. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, smash the bell button, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments below. I am more than happy to answer anything because this is my journey, which can be part of your journey in learning. And whatever I learn and you're learning, we can always exchange ideas and experiences because that's what it's all about. Until the next video, have a great day, be blessed, and thank you.